Cosmic Big Bros, Saturdays at 9:30 a.m. on your Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Scooby-Doo, Where Are You?
I didn't always used to steal my kids' Halloween candy.
I'd graze, sure, but there was nothing worth the crying, you know?
Until people started handing out treat packs from Nuts.com.
I just couldn't help myself.
The maple
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Hall County Emergency Management. Multiple creatures around the area, which seem to resemble werewolves, have been reported around the city of Grand Island by law enforcement. Law enforcement has also reported people randomly transforming into these werewolves, and are reportedly attacking people and causing destruction over parts of Grand Island. The cause of this is due to the blue supermoon that is happening tonight. It is speculated that once a person has been affected, they will start to transform into one of these werewolves. Due to this, the Grand Island Police Department is advising all residents to stay inside their homes and shelter in place until further notice. More information will be shared as soon as it's available.
It will never be made with high fructose corn syrup, ever. Treetop, farmer grown, farmer owned.
From Jurassic World Rebirth, the mighty powered devoured T-Rex.